Hi, welcome to Cooking with Outlaw Barbecue, where we're going to share with you tips we've learned as restaurant owners and competition barbecue cooks. Today it's a cold day here in Maryland, and in fact it's snowing. And what better on a cold day than a warm bowl of Maryland cream of crab soup. All right, very simple recipe. What we have, 3/4 of a cup of flour, 1 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon of Old Bay, 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, 4 cups of milk, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of sherry, and 1/4 pound of claw crab meat. Alright, turn on our burner. First we take our stick of butter and we get that to begin to melt. Now that our onions have begun to sweat down, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Old Bay. Followed by 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. And we'll stir until the flour has had the opportunity to absorb all the butter fats, creating a nice dark roux. Now we'll go ahead and add to our roux our 1 cup of heavy cream. Once our roux has fully absorbed the heavy cream and the flour began to expand, thickening that, we're going to slowly add our milk. The trick is to add a little bit of milk at a time and just slowly thicken that soup. Alright, so what we've done is continuously stirred on a low heat. I just went ahead and turned off the burner. I like my cream of crab to be thick, but not pasty. Some places make it really pasty and like wallpaper paste, and I don't really like it that way. I like nice consistency in my cream of crab. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our sherry. So this is cream of sherry. We're going to add that in. So that's our 2 tablespoons of sherry. You can add a little bit more sherry after you're done if you want more of that flavor. And lastly, we're going to go ahead and add 1/4 pound of claw crab meat. Now you might say, claw crab meat, why not lump? Well, number 1, lump's expensive. If you make a pot of soup at home, claw crab's a lot less expensive. Number 2, the meat's actually sweeter. The lump crab is a really decadent crab meat, which is excellent for crab cakes and other cooking, but when it comes to soups, it'll just break down and fall apart. So we found that claw crab works really well and adds great flavor. So there you go. That's a quick way to make cream of crab soup, and we're going to enjoy that during this beautiful snow day.